Which Claude model is best for you? Opus 4.6 vs Sonnet 4.6, 2026 full guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have been wondering which Claude model is actually right for you in 2026, Opus 4.6 or Sonnet 4.6, this video is going to clear it up fast. Both are incredibly capable, but they are built for different use cases. Let me break it down. Let's get into it. Meet the models. Anthropic currently offers two main models in the Claude 4.6 family. Claude Opus 4.6 is the most powerful and intelligent model in the lineup. Claude Sonnet 4.6 sits right below it as a smart, efficient, and highly capable model designed for everyday use. Both are genuinely impressive, but knowing which one fits your needs saves you time and money. Claude Opus 4.6 Opus 4.6 is Anthropic's most advanced model, and it shows. It excels at the most complex and demanding tasks: deep research, nuanced reasoning, multi-step problem solving, advanced coding, and highly sophisticated writing. If you're working on something that requires serious intellectual horsepower, careful analysis, or handling genuinely complicated instructions, Opus is the one you want. It takes its time to think through problems thoroughly, and the quality of output reflects that. Claude Sonnet 4.6 is no slouch though. It is designed to be the smart, everyday workhorse, fast, reliable, and capable across a huge range of tasks. Writing emails, summarizing documents, answering questions, helping with code, brainstorming ideas, drafting content, Sonnet handles all of it extremely well. For the vast majority of everyday tasks, most users will honestly not notice a meaningful difference between Sonnet and Opus. And because it is faster and more efficient, it is the better choice when you need quick turnaround. Speed and efficiency. Speed is where Sonnet 4.6 clearly wins. It generates responses noticeably faster than Opus, which matters a lot when you are having a back-and-forth conversation or working through multiple tasks quickly. Opus takes a little longer because it is doing more thorough processing under the hood. If speed matters to your workflow, Sonnet is the better fit. Which one should you choose? Here is the simple answer. Choose Sonnet 4.6 if you are using Claude for everyday tasks like writing, summarizing, coding help, research, and general conversation. It is fast, capable, and handles the vast majority of use cases beautifully. Choose Opus 4.6 when you are tackling something genuinely complex: advanced research, intricate coding projects, detailed analysis, or any task where you need the absolute best output. Quality and speed is not your priority. Access and availability. Both models are available through Claude's paid plans on Claude AI. Sonnet 4.6 is the default model you will interact with on the platform. Opus 4.6 is available to Claude Pro and higher tier subscribers. If you are on the free plan, you are already getting solid Sonnet level performance, which is impressive on its own. And that is Opus 4.6 versus Sonnet 4.6 broken down simply. Sonnet for speed and everyday tasks, Opus for maximum intelligence and complex work. Try both and see which one fits your workflow best. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.